Hello folks, it's Chris in Arena Studio Land with episode 5 of how to play faster on guitar using legato. If this is something that you're looking for, then this is the video for you. Thanks for sticking around. Please give the channel a like and a subscribe. Hopefully you've got your cloth, your string wrap, whatever it is that you're going to use to dampen these strings, because as we've spoken about in the previous 4 episodes, this is all about building finger independence and learning to be able to hammer on with this, literally this first finger only, okay? So today's exercise is a follow-on from the first 4 episodes, and again you'll be having the link to the description, for the backing track, and you can then practice this along to the other previous 4 exercises every single day to improve this legato and develop this strength on this hammering on from nothing in these courses of exercises. So today's, again, we're using the C major 3-note per string pattern starting on the 8th fret, and the exercise is I'll go really slow. I don't have to bang on everything on this. I'll just play the exercise for you really slow, ascending and descending, and then we'll have a little chat about how you're going to apply it, and then you're good to go through episode 5, and I'll see you with the next one. Okay, so this is the pattern. Okay. So if I start slowly on the first position and I'll go right across the neck, ascending and descending. When we ascend and we get to the 12th fret, the second to last note of the pattern, then that's the one at stop, and that's when I turn around. So I'll go mega slow on that part for you, and then hopefully you'll be able to see what goes on, and then you can apply it to your own little practice routines. Okay, so here we go, nice and super slow. Probably loads of mistakes in this because I don't normally play it this slow, but we'll see what happens, shall we? Then I turn it around. So again, you can practice the exercise in the pairs of strings. Build it up in one position. And then do the same thing descending, and see how you go with it. Build that speed with it. Make sure you can get nice, fluid, confident, clean playing. Plenty of overdrive on this, I think, at first, and then as you get more confident in the strength in your fingers, you can start to back the overdrive or distortion off, and you'll end up playing with a cleaner tone. So that's probably one of my tips. So stick the cloth on or the string wrap. Make sure that you're fretting from nowhere with these hands. Go steady with it. build the speed up gradually till you can play along to the tempo of the backing track, and then when you're at that speed, I want you to do exercise 1 followed by 2, 3, 4, and now this one, which is going to take you up to maybe 15-20 minutes of legato a day. Carry on with it. It's bound to give you some sort of results with this legato, and then what we'll do eventually is start to spread it all over the fretboard once we've reached maybe a decent speed of say 150 beats per minute, which is going to be ripping a little bit, believe me. So that's episode 5. Again, please give me a like and a subscribe and comment on the videos below. The backing track is in the description, and hopefully will be the links somewhere to the previous episodes as well. I'll try and get all those in, but I'm mad busy in the studio at the moment. So from me, Chris, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you next week with episode 6 of adding speed to your guitar playing, learning to play faster using legato.